These room transformation videos are racking up millions of views right now. A complete disaster of a room slowly, satisfyingly transforms into a clean, modern space, and people simply cannot stop watching. Oh, and the best part? You don't need to spend a single dollar. Here's what I made in less than 7 minutes.
Wow, I can't believe this is my room. That TV and this whole setup look incredible.
All right, first things first. Head over to ChatGPT, go to Explore GPTs, and search for Room Glow Up. Then click on it. Once the chat opens, hit Start. It loads up, and the Room Glow Up GPT gives you a super simple menu where you pick a room, a style, who lives there, and one special detail. You don't have to copy me. Type whatever you like, but here's what I did. For the room, I chose bedroom. For the dream style, I chose luxury because why not dream big, people? For who lives there, I went with a big guy eating pizza because, look, no judgment, we've all been there. And for the extra detail, I picked a big TV, obviously. Once you've filled everything in, just hit send, and the GPT builds the entire plan for you. You get 4 image prompts and 4 video prompts, covering a messy before, a clear out, a renovation, and a stunning final premium room reveal, doing all the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Now copy that first image prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Select image generation mode, paste the prompt into the box, and hit send. Wait just a moment, and boom, your image is generated and looks exactly like what you wanted. A messy room with a big guy looking completely hopeless and sad. Relatable content at its finest. For the second image, go back to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt, head back to Google Flow AI, drag and drop your first image as a reference image, paste the new prompt, and hit send. Just like that, second image done. Repeat this exact same method for all your remaining images, taking your time and doing it carefully because consistency is everything here. Once all your images are ready, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Head back to Google Flow AI, click on your first image, animate it, paste the prompt, hit send. It takes less than a minute and the result looks incredibly insane. You might notice the last 1 to 2 seconds look a little off, but don't panic. I'll tell you exactly how to fix that in a second. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second video prompt, head back to Google Flow AI, click on your second image, animate it, paste the prompt, hit send, wait a moment, and boom, second video generated. Do the exact same thing with all your remaining images to convert them into videos, then download them one by one in the highest resolution available. About that weird ending, simple fix. Open any video editing software, trim or cut the bad parts, arrange your clips in order, and you're done. That is the entire workflow to create these viral room transformation videos. And if you want to discover more viral AI niches like this one, go check out my YouTube channel and make sure you subscribe to AI Excentra so you don't miss the next big thing. I'll see you in the next video.